Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX 500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top data analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxspeculator.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So today is election day in the US, so definitely a really big day. We probably will not get results until very, very late tonight or maybe even tomorrow, but definitely could see some pretty dramatic volatility over the next 24 hours. On the SPX 500 monthly time frame, that is, I think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3 since the last end of a crescent that we had way back here. Now, the most likely target for a 1, 2, 3, or the most likely target for a wave 3 is the 161% Fibonacci extension, and we haven't quite hit that area yet, so I think it's going to go up, hit that area. Then I think we are very likely in for probably at least a 2 to 3 month pullback for a wave 4, and then I think it's going to end up continuing the uptrend for potentially a wave 5. So let's take a closer look at that on the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think here's the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and from that point on, it's all higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. We do not have a breaker structure to the downside. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce, and we do not really have any lower highs. This is still a wave 3 to me. What I think is going to happen is I think it's going to go up, grab this Fibonacci level, take out the previous highs, then it's going to go down and break structure, which I think will help prove that the wave 3 is over, and that we are most likely at that point in an ABC of 4, which will probably be around the same size as this wave 2. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it kind of looks like it's already made 1, 2, 3 waves down, and you're going to be able to see that even more clearly as we go down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, we definitely did get a breaker structure to the downside on the 4 hour. But I think what happened is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for A. I think this is very clearly a corrective pattern up for wave B, and then I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for wave C. Went way down to a Fibonacci level, made a nice engulfing move to the upside. I think this is a wave 3 of 3. This is a wave 4 of wave 3, and I think we're going up to make a wave 5 of wave 3, probably right around the 5918 area, which is the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected off the bottom of wave 2 on that weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, to me it definitely looks like the end of a crescent, but to really confirm we have to break and hold above this structure, which we definitely have not done so yet. So if it ends up rejecting that structure and ends up, going up and breaking it and rejecting it instantly, it may actually end up continuing back down. But on the 4 hour to daily time frame, it looks like this is the end of a wave C. If it is the end of a wave C, then it should over the next few days or so, or at least the next day or so, make its way up probably for like a 1, a 2, eventually make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave 5, probably ending around $55,918 that I showed you on the 4 hour and daily time frame, because that is the 161% Fibonacci extension, which is normally the most likely area for a wave 3 to end. Then, like I said, I believe we're going to be due for at least a 3 to 4 month pullback for a big wave 4 on the weekly time frame. And then we'll probably get another big rally to the upside for a wave 5. Now, today is election day, and like I said, it potentially is going to take maybe all day, even into tomorrow, before we know who wins the U.S. presidential election. But there is definitely going to be a lot of volatility today because of that. So definitely trade with caution. But as of right now, this definitely to me looks like the most likely scenario. So, in a ways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.